The long tail method of casting on begins by measuring out a length of yarn and placing a slip knot some distance from the end. To accurately measure where to place the slip knot, start by wrapping the yarn around your needle the same number of times as the number of stitches required by the pattern. And then add a little extra to allow for a margin of error. Place your slip knot onto the needle, and this is your first stitch. Holding your finger and thumb together, insert them in between the two strands of your yarn to create a V. You'll have the end of the yarn over your thumb and the working yarn over your first finger. Using the point of the needle, scoop the yarn from your thumb and then pull the yarn from your finger through that loop. Use your thumb to tighten the stitch. And you need to do this as many times as required by the number of stitches for the pattern. Scoop up the yarn from your thumb, pick up the yarn from your finger, pull it through, and then tighten with your thumb. Scoop it up off your thumb, pull it through from your finger, and use your thumb to tighten.